Nowadays I am seeing many posts which is sharing everywhere and giving such a fake promise that if you share this and that, comment this and that, and you will get this and that. And people sharing also, why? I don't know. Maybe they are too innocent that they don't know even it is fake, or they are too greedy, or just sharing like what will happen to me. Yes, it will not happen to you anything. But may I tell you one thing? In this world, there is no free will. You have to do something if you want to get something. There is always a motive behind a coincidence. Even our parents expect for their caring at their old days that our generation often ignores. Then, do you really think sharing such post or comment you will get those rewards? Really? Ask yourself again before you share. Only you sharing is your foolishness and passing it one fool to another. Ask yourself to your inner you. Somehow it will sure hit you, but you still doing. Then I don't know what to say. And here is some post also. If you don't share, you will get bad luck till this year, and someone will die soon that you love. And people get scared and they share fast. Really? Don't ever share such kind of post. And this is my request, my friend. I know you are fool, but do you really think it is necessary to remind me again and again? And some posts like, please type amen, or one like, one share is one donation to these needies. Really? I really want to know how you feel after you sharing those posts. You just react to that post and you just passing those needy at your way. Take a little time, help them. Anything what you can, and feel that feeling and satisfaction. It's just priceless. You can't buy from anywhere that. So guys, stop sharing those fake news, and please don't be too innocent or too greedy. Sometimes in this competitive world, we must greedy, but not in foolish way. Again, please stop sharing your foolishness. Thank you.